Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. You're here to stay.
Hey guys, I'm Sheenam Inferno and welcome back to Infernal Basics, where we learn the basics step by step. I'm so thrilled for the new upload after a long time because of major changes going on in my life, mainly because I've just graduated my med school and that's awesome. So before further ado, let's scoot closer and let's begin.
Never said what's on your mind. Stupid lines you hid behind. I like Drake, you like Bono. You drink Jose, I sip Moscato. You love LA, I miss Toronto. I feel like I'm on my own.
Today we are doing a flaming lip art, and I have chosen this layout because it will demonstrate the 3 most important skills that you will need to master any lip art, and those are stability, precision, and blending. I'm using matte liquid lipsticks mainly because you can work with them just like paints, and of course they are very long wearing, and your lip art will remain intact throughout the day. I will be using a flat brush to blend my lip colors, but you can also use a disposable doe-foot applicator. And for the outlines, nothing works better than a size 0 paintbrush.
As years went by, we realized that what we had was all a lie. Never said what's on your mind. The stupid lines you hid behind. I like Drake, you like Bono. You drink Jose, I sip Moscato. You love LA, I miss Toronto. I feel like I'm on my own.
The flames are irregular and asymmetrical, so before we start, we need to block our lips with either a concealer or a foundation. It's far way easier to do this before the lip art than later. This step is optional, and you might not even need to do this if your layout is simple or you're using light colors for the lip art that are easily erasable and correctable. I'm using a nudish brown lip liner to draw out my design, so I'm assertive while I work with the deep blue lip color. Go with a light hand because you don't need to draw exact lines. You only need to trace approximate positions of the flames. It's more like a rough sketch. A lip liner is very easy to rub, erase, and change if you're not happy with the final layout relative to a liquid lipstick.
It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Before you go full on with all the different colors, start by going over the outlines you have just created with a matte liquid lipstick. You will end up with a crisp and neat result. You can do this with a makeup brush, but for such detailed work, I always prefer using an actual high-quality size 0 paintbrush. They come in all different sizes. I love their length, I love their weight, and it simply is very effortless to work with them when you're looking for precision.
You know what it's
If you like my videos and find them helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with everyone you love. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Dr_Sheenam_Inferno, where I post all the updates about my upcoming videos. So get to know me better. Let's follow each other.
Prince charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill.
For stability, hold the brush away from the barrel. It will allow for a smooth or free movement of the bristles whilst providing enough control. You can also support your hand on your chin with the help of a velour cuff affixed to your last two fingers so your makeup is not ruined by the touch.
You don't need to be Prince charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no
Can't have, and while you have it, you can. Still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it.
Now, all you have to do is fill and blend your different lip colors. I'm going first with the darkest shade, Blue Flame, with which I outline my lip. I'll just fill the periphery with this color, and then I'm going to switch to my second brighter shade named Peacock, which will fill most of my lip. This part is very personal to your own preferences, color choice, and artistry. I'm going from darkest to lightest inward, but you can very easily do the opposite, or go from right to left, basically any whatever way you wish. These two colors are very close to each other in terms of their shade, so you don't even need a separate applicator to blend them. But our third shade, Venus Flytrap, is intense.
How do you know? You always want.
To blend this, take care to apply it before your previous color dries up, and use a flat brush in fast tapping motion to merge it through. Because these are matte liquid lipsticks, try to work fast, because they will not blend once they dry.
How do you know how you will feel when everything changes?
You can finish right here, and it will wear very well throughout the day. But if you want to go a little extra for something like a photo shoot or Coachella, simply add some cosmetic glitter. I'm using a lip gloss to stick the glitter instead of a glitter glue, as of course, lip gloss is a safe product even if you accidentally lick on it, and it is very comfortable to wear for long hours. Glitter glue will be uncomfortable, and it ultimately will start breaking up your matte lipstick. If you are a regular on my channel, you know that my videos are not aimed for my viewers simply to replicate and emulate them. They are meant to teach the hardcore techniques that will help you to create any look that you want. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time.
Nothing